There's so many ways you can cook an egg, but none of them are automated, except the microwave. But even the microwave has its own issues. Fuck. Now my egg is all over the inside of the microwave and this one is popped. If you're like me and every time you go to cook your eggs, you end up with a huge mess like this or like this. Fuck's sake. You'd probably think, oh, I need to get someone else to cook for me. And that's exactly what I thought. So that's why I spent 2.5 months coding, building, testing, gluing, waiting for glue to dry, re-gluing, checking Instagram, doing more and more tests. This is Craig. You're probably wondering why I'm calling it Craig. Well, it's pretty simple. A robot that cooks raw eggs. Craig. This is his tongue. That's why it's red. Once they go into water, we'll close the circuit. Craig will pull that pot off the hob, wait for 10 seconds for it to cool down, and then push it back onto the hob. That way we can just walk away, let our egg cook. So now Craig is going to wait 10 seconds, let it cool down, and then he'll push it back onto the hob. Now he just waits for it to cook. Thanks to Craig, I can do whatever I want in my time while my egg is cooking. I don't have to stand around watching it. My days are absolutely jam-packed. I have no time to do anything, never mind cook. So thanks to Craig, I can do the important things in my life while I wait for my food to cook. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So we have a motor, Raspberry Pi, motor controller, threaded bar, nut, and that's it. So simple.